Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to find your posts on others' timelines on Facebook using a PC. With Facebook's new update, this process is quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand into more options. Among these, click on Activity Log to proceed. Now, you're in the Activity Log section. Here, under the Your Facebook Activity category, locate and click on Posts. This will display a list of all your posts. Finally, look for the option labeled Your Posts on Others' Timelines. Click on it, and voila! You'll now see all the posts you've made on other people's timelines. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and review your posts on others' timelines. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for tuning in.